Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about collective nouns. We will also see their use with the help of examples. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. A collective noun is a word referring to a collection of things taken as a whole. Most collective nouns in everyday speech are not specific to one kind of thing. For example, the collective noun group can be applied to people or dogs or objects. Some collective nouns are specific to one kind of thing, especially terms of vanity which identify groups of specific animals. Now, let's start learning the collective nouns for specific things. First is a crowd of spectators. Here, crowd is the collective noun. Next is a team of players. Here, team is the collective noun. Next is a choir of singers. Here, choir is the collective noun. Next up we have a jury of judges. Here, jury is the collective noun. Next up, a class of students. Here, class is the collective noun. Next is a panel of experts. Here, panel is the collective noun. Next up we have a herd of cows. Here, herd is the collective noun. Next is a pack of wolves. Here, pack is the collective noun. Next is a flock of birds. Here, flock is the collective noun. Next, a swarm of bees. Here, swarm is the collective noun. Next is a pride of lions. Here, pride is the collective noun. Next is a school of fish. Here, school is the collective noun. Next is a bouquet of flowers. Here, bouquet is the collective noun. A fleet of ships. Here, fleet is the collective noun. Next, a stack of books. Here, stack is the collective noun. Next is a bunch of grapes. Here, bunch is the collective noun. A set of tools. Here, set is the collective noun. Next is a troop of monkeys. Here, troop is the collective noun. Next is a bundle of sticks. Here, bundle is the collective noun. A galaxy of stars. Here, galaxy is the collective noun.